Hi, welcome to the Angular and Spring Boot CRUD tutorial. In this video, we're going to create a controller and we're going to write a REST endpoint to retrieve the list of expenses. So let's begin. So let me minimize this and let me minimize this as well. And now let's go to the controller, and before that let's go ahead and create a repository. So inside the repository package, let's create an interface. I'm gonna call this expense repository, and this is going to extend the interface, which is the JPA repository, and click finish. And we have to specify the entity name, which is expense, and the primary key type, which is long. So let's quickly import the expense from the package, and we are going to annotate this interface with @repository annotation. Alright, so now we have created the repository, and let's save this. And now let's go ahead and create the service. So within the service package, we're going to create a interface, and I'm going to call this expense service. And inside this interface, we're going to declare a single method for now. So I'm gonna call this find by, or let me say find all, and this is going to return a list of expenses. Let me import the packages, required packages, the list which is from the util package, and the expense which is from the model package. So let's save this, and now let's go ahead and create an implementation class for this service, and I'm gonna call this expense service IMPL, and this is going to extend the interface, which is expense service. Finish. And first we need to annotate this class with the @service annotation. So inside this, first we need to auto wire the repository. So expense repository, and I'm gonna call this expense repository. So let me auto wire this, and inside this we are going to make use of the expense repository to call a find all method. So this is going to return the list of expenses, and I'm going to return this. So let me quickly import the required packages. So let's save this. So now we have created the repository and the service implementation class. So now the last step is to create a controller. So within the controller package, let's quickly create a class, and I'm gonna call this expense controller. So let me quickly annotate this class with @rest controller, and inside this, first we need to auto wire the service, the expense service. So let's auto wire that expense service, and I'm gonna call this expense service. So let me auto wire this. Next, let's go ahead and create a handler method, public, and this is going to return the response entity, the list of expenses, and I'm going to call this get. And I'm going to add the request mapping, which is, since this is a get method, I'm going to add the @get mapping annotation. At the class level, I'm going to add the request mapping. Since this is a API, I'm gonna call this /API/v1. v1, it's nothing but the version 1. And this, I'm going to annotate this, I'm going to add the request mapping as expenses. So inside this, we're going to make use of the expense service to call the find all method. So before that, let me import the required packages, the list which is from the util package and which is the expense service. So let me save this. I don't know why this is not detecting, so let me check with what name I have created. Expense service. Inside the controller, let's paste this and import it. Okay, I think I have mistyped it, that's why it is not importing it. Now it has been imported, expense service. So let me call the method which is find all. So this is going to give us the list of expenses. So I'm going to store that in a variable. I'm gonna call this expenses. So now I'm going to return a response entity. Inside this, we are going to specify the first parameter, which is nothing but the object, which is a list of expenses, and the second parameter is we have to specify the HTTP status, and I'm going to specify HTTP status dot OK. So let's save this. So now we have created the controller, and now we are exposing a REST endpoint for retrieving the list of expenses. So the last step is to test our work. So let's open up the Postman, or since we can this is a get mapping, we can use our browser itself, but you can also use Postman as well. So for now, let's use the browser itself since this is a get mapping. So our application is already running. So let's go to the browser. Let me close this, we don't need these tabs anymore. So let's go to the localhost 8080/API/v1/expenses. So when you hit enter, we should expect the list of expenses. Yes, we are getting the list of expenses. Right now we have two expenses in our database, the monitor and the Apple Watch. So if you go to the database, you can see right now we have two records which we have created in our previous video. So right now we have two records and which is working as we expected. So now our REST endpoint is ready, and now we can create an Angular front-end application, and we can make a HTTP GET request to this REST endpoint, and we can display these list of expenses in our browser. So that is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.